Unit 2, Step 3, Task 2, Designing Teaching Materials with Web 2.0 Tools. Presented by Dary Pérez Bonet, tutor Christian Quintero. Designing Teaching Material with Web 2.0 Tools. The Web 2.0 tool that I choose is the wiki. Now I am going to talk about how to use wiki for lessons teaching. Okay, the wiki is a website where the content is created with the intervention or contribution of several users or students in this case. In a wiki, the participants can read, create, comment, or modify the information contributions. Its use in the classroom allows students to be part of their learning by creating their own material while strengthening the collaborative work. And the tools that can be used to create wikis are Wikispace and PBWiki. Okay. Evidence wiki presentations. Now I am going to talk about the interactive activity 1. It is called, like I said before, evidence wiki presentations. And for this evidence, for example, you have to participate in a wiki too. Introduce and describe yourself, and then introduce and describe two friends. They could be actual or invented friends. Okay, and so in this activity, the student have to enter in the wiki and have to include the following information. For example, names, ages, places of origin, nationalities, jobs, a picture, perhaps this picture can be real or not, and a physical description according to the pictures. And you can add any other detail you consider important. So as you can see here in the picture, I create the presentation so the student can go there and they can make their own register. So they can add the participation. For example, here it is. For example, a student can go there in the wiki and he can add his information or her information. Okay, for example, he can put in the wiki his name. For example, my name is Steve Jones. I am from United States. I am 34 years old. etc, etc. And then he can introduce to relatives or friends like this, and he can put or add some pictures. Okay, for the interactive activity 2, I propose a wiki to describe yourself. In this activity or in this evidence, you should take part in a wiki. Like I said before, this is a collaborative web page to describe yourself. In the description, you should include your physical description, physical appearance, and your clothes. And the description must include a photograph, which can be unreal, because some people don't like, some people doesn't like to put real pictures in these web pages. So it is I understand that situation. Some people like they are more like private, so they don't like to share pictures in the internet. So we have an example of this. For example, describe yourself, and this person put a picture here and started. I am Catherine. I am 30 years old. I am white and I am pretty. I am a pretty woman. I am tall and I am slim. Then she can start to describing his outfit. For example, I wear blue jeans, a white shirt, a blue scarf. Well, everything that she wanna to describe. And finally, as we can see, tools to improve the learning experience are many. On the internet, they are free, flexible, and easy to use. However, tools are not the end. They are only a means to facilitate learning and generate computer skills necessary for students. These don't replace the virtual tutor, or on the contrary, they allow you to transform your role by a more participatory, dynamic, and facilitator. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much for your attention. See you next time.